Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is going to be this look right here. It is using the Kathleen Lights and Colourpop collab, the So Jaded palette, which looks like so. And I was not disappointed. So if you're interested in getting this little cute emerald gold look, then just keep on watching. Alright, so honestly, I don't know what look I'm going for. So I don't have really most of my makeup on yet, just my brows, because I don't know if these shadows will fall out, and so I didn't want to, mess up the rest of my makeup. If you notice anything different in this video, I have, what's it called? Balayage. I don't know how to say it, but I got this like a week or two ago, and friends and family might be seeing this for the first time because I haven't posted any pictures really of it except for like Snapchat. Yeah, and if you notice like a different quality video, I upgraded to the Samsung Galaxy S10, so I'm really interested on how the quality will smooth this wire. The quality will compare to the S8 Plus that I had before. Alright, so let's get started. Let's look at the color story. So there are a lot of options. Honestly, I feel like the colors that really stand out for me are the greens, which are like this one, these two. So I think I'm gonna try to do like a green look, maybe with a little bit of the gold. But I think this might be like almost like a pressed pigment. I don't know. We'll see. We'll figure it out. Alright, so let's get started. Alright, so I already primed my eyes with the Luscious Angel Eyes eyeshadow primer base, which is a bit too warm tone for my fair ass skin. But we're just gonna set that with some what is this? My Precious right here in the palette. Oh, doesn't have a mirror. Well, alright, I understand. There's a lot of shades. It was already $39, which is almost kind of pushing it for Colourpop. So I'm not gonna bitch about the no mirror. And I have one right here. Alright, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put a bit of tape on the outside of my eye. And that just kind of gives it like a sharp, what's the word, sharp edge. And it kind of connects to like the outer corner of my eye and then the tail of my eyebrow. So I'm gonna first go in with the shade Geodude. It's kind of like this gray green color. And I'm gonna put that above the crease, kind of as like a transition shade. Okay, this is a lot more like brown than I was expecting it to be. Alright, so it is almost like a taupe or like a light brown. So I'm gonna go in with the shade Citrine, which is like this yellow greenish shade right there. And I'm gonna kind of put that on top of it, maybe a little bit above it. So with another green color, I'm gonna go in with the shade Jade right here, and I'm gonna put that, try to kind of put that in my crease of my eye. Alright, so now I'm gonna kind of just blend those colors together. Okay, next I'm gonna go in with the shade Stone, which is kind of like this dark, kind of like dark clay or dark gray color. And then I'm gonna put that more on the like outer corner of my eye. I kind of just blend that a little bit with that second color, that green shade. So yeah, it's kind of like a dark gray if you don't want to go in with a bold black. Okay, so I'm going to go in with the same colors that I used one more time over this and see if I can kind of intensify it a little bit. Okay, so now I think I will go ahead and do like a cut crease. Right now I'm just using this Maybelline Age Rewind little thing without the sponge. And then I'll put it on a little flat eyeshadow brush. Then go more on the inner side of the eye. Swipe it like that. Lift up my eye, and then it kind of gives like a little guide. And then I kind of measure out how far I want the cut crease to go. So I'm gonna do it, yeah, I'm gonna keep it kind of right there, like in the middle of the pupil. Okay, so that's what it's looking like. I'm kind of pretty bad at doing like cut creases, but no, it is what it is. So now I'm gonna go in the middle. Yeah, I'm gonna go in with the middle, in the middle with the shade Emerald, and then on the inner I'm gonna go in the shade Period. So I think that's just as much I'm gonna put on the middle side, and then I'm gonna use the same brush and go in with period, whatever. It looks to me kind of like more like a yellow shimmer shade. Yeah, it definitely comes out like gold. Alright, so my eyes are definitely looking like the Brazilian flag. And these shimmers are kind of a bit fallout. Like there's a little bit of fallout, but it's not like, it's not major. Alright, also I'm kind of trying to blend these two shades together. Okay, so I think with this look, I do want to go in with a liquid eyeliner. First I'm gonna do my other eye off camera, and I will be right back. How's it going? Okay, so I have my liquid liner little wing on. I used the, where the fuck is it? I still don't like it, but anyways, I used the Studio Makeup Line Styler pen. Got it as even as possible. I also put Ciate London Wonderwand Kohl Gel eyeliner on my top and lower tight lines, whatever you want to call it. Oh, and I did my bronzer and my blush and my highlighter, as you can tell. Alright, so back to the eyes. Alright, first I'm going to go in with that yellow shade Citrine, and I'm going to put that first on my lower eye. And I kind of want to put that far down so that way you can still see it when I apply that green shade over it. Okay, and I'm going to go in with Jade, which is that green shade we put in the crease. I'm going to apply that closer to the eyeball. Then I'm going to blend those together. Okay, so now that I have that done, I want to put an inner corner highlight. There are a few shimmer shades that I could use for the inner corner, which is Diamond, and then there's Pearl, Moonstone, and then Smoky Quartz. I think I'm just gonna go in with Pearl, which is that one right here. I'm gonna put that on my pinky and then insert it onto my inner corners. Alright, very nice. I'm also gonna put that shade on my brow bone so it kind of connects a little bit with my highlight. Alright, so I was about to say I was done. I forgot mascara. What mascara do I want to use? Alright, so this is the final look. Let's get a little closer. I think I have definitely done a look like this before, and you can definitely get more looks with this shade range on the palette, but for some reason, like, the greens were standing out for some reason. When there's like a really pretty green, like emerald, I just gravitate towards that, even though green isn't my favorite color, but it just, I don't know, it just stands out to me. So overall, I think the pigment of the shadows is really good. I haven't tried out the, what are these? They're like pressed pigments or something, or like loose pigments. I don't know. But I saw Kathleen on her video, she like put it in her hair. I'm not gonna do that. I have clinical tomorrow, so I don't want any like glitter like falling all over the place. And the glitter shades are way like super pigmented, and they are definitely buildable since I applied it twice, and I think it definitely did build up the color and the pigment in most of the shades. And yeah, for this being Colourpop's first like big palette, they did pretty good. I love Kathleen Lights. When I can, I love to support the projects that she does, and the fact that this is like gemstone themed. Like, I tried not buying this because I have so many eyeshadow palettes, but since I just kept on seeing it everywhere and my mind really wanted it, so I gave in and I bought it, and I'm not disappointed with it. Yeah, I think compared to my other palettes, this one definitely does stand out. Alright, so that's it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe as well. I try to make videos every Friday or Saturday or so. My next video will probably be either the Ipsy Live Convention. I'm probably going to do like a little vlog, or an Ipsy or BoxyCharm video. So yeah. Alright, so I will see y'all in my next videos. Bye!